Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a white chocolate ganache which we use to color and cover our cakes. You can even use it to sandwich your cakes inside, but using this recipe you can cover your cake beautifully with them in different colors, and you can use this even to make your sharp edges. So let's get started. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।